Our video today is about 90 degrees saddle, T, unequal branch, concentric stub out. Then the size is of the header is 6-inch standard, outside diameter of 168.3 millimeter, and the header outside radius is 84.15. The branch is 3.5 standard or schedule 40. The inside diameter is 90.2 millimeter. Branch inside radius is 45.06. Then the outside diameter, if we will be making the template, is 101.6. In the calculation of branch saddle depth, the formula is header outside radius minus square root of header outside radius to the second power or squared minus branch inside radius multiplied by sine theta or degrees angle, then squared it. Okay, let's start our calculation. So I made this. If you will be doing your template or calculation, you don't need to do this one. I made this drawing just for explanation purposes. If you look at this, this means those ordinate lines there. So 22.5, 45, 67.5, 90. So this is equal to 16 divisions when making a template or marking your pipes. Right. So the formula is, let's start now. Formula: header outside radius 84.15. So 84.15 minus, then square root, header outside radius is 84.15, then squared minus bracket or parenthesis open, then branch inside radius, this 45.06 multiplied by sine theta. So we'll go 22.5 for that saddle depth. So 22.5 degrees. Close, squared equals, that is 1.78 millimeter. So that is the saddle depth. Of course, 0 is 0. Right. We'll go to the next one. If you are using the same calculator, you just move that way. Then delete 22 point, then 45 degrees. So you have 45 degrees now, the same. You've just changed the angle. Then equals, that is 6.26 millimeter. Next, that is 67.5 degrees. So we'll just change that one. 67.5. right? Then equals 11 millimeter. That is 11 millimeter. Then next, delete those and change it with 90 degrees for that saddle depth equals, so that is 13 millimeter. Okay, that is our saddle depth. Next is we will make the template, or if you want you can straightly mark the pipe. Okay, so now we'll make the template using those calculation. Okay, now we're gonna make the template. First is you need to draw a straight line. Right. Then we do the calculation first for the circumference of the branch. So the outside diameter is 101.6, so we add 1 milli, so 102.6. So that will be 102.6 multiplied by pi, which is 3.1416 equals 322 millimeter. So divided by, we will divide it by 16 divisions. Then that is 20.14. So every division got a distance of 20.14. Right. So next, make a line up there. Now, if you're gonna make a template, we need to have we need to add a minimum of 2 inch or 50 millimeter. The purpose of that is for wrapping your template around your pipe. Now next, you need to get the saddle depth of 90 degrees. So we'll use the caliper. That is 13. Okay. Okay, so that's 13. Then we'll make a line. Then we will divide it by 16. So that is 20.14. That's all right. Okay. So that's 20 point. Right. We're gonna use the divider. Okay. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and additional 1 division for the overlapping purposes. Okay. Then we will scribe that up. Okay, that's 17. Then we will mark it. That is 0, 22.5, 45, 67.5, 90, 67.5, 45, 22.5. Then 0 again, back up, then back down. Right. using our result from the calculator. So 0 is 0. Then 22.5 is 1.78. That's all right. So 22.5 is and there 22.5. Next is 6.26. That's all right. So 45. Then next is 67.5, which is 11. So 11. Okay. So 67.5. $67.5. Okay. So we've got those marks. Now, the next thing we will be doing is mark the contour line. So there's a technique for marking the contour line. So you need to always stop on the 45 degrees division. So 45, then end there and end to the 0. So let's start. So Okay, 0 to 45. Then 45 to 45. 45 to 45. Then 45 to 45 again. Okay, 45 to 45. Okay, 45 to 45. Then 45 to 22.5. So that's the way we mark the contour line. So you need, then we will cut the template. Right. So let's start to cut the template. Then the contour line. Then the last one. Then finish. Wrap it down that way. Okay. So that is your template now for 6 by 3.5 saddle T. Stub out an equal branch. Okay. See that? Alright, thank you for watching.